Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a very common program which is asked inside coding interviews and competitive exams such as GATE or placements, which is how to reverse a number inside Python. So this is actually essentially the program right here. If I execute this, it will ask you to enter a number. You can write any number. Let's suppose I write 567. This is the number that I write here. So what will be the output? So what this program will do, it will reverse all the digits of this number, which output will be 765. So as I enter it, you will see the reverse of this number is 765. So how to calculate the reverse, I will show you in this video. This is a simple logic using while loop. We are using while loop here. So let me just paste this program in a software called as Python Tutor, which will show you step by step how this program executes line by line. So let me paste it and visualize execution. So now the very first step right here, it is asking you to enter the number. So if I write here 456 and click on submit, and you can see we have declared a global variable which is 456. Now we need to reverse this number and print out 654. This is our task. So now to do this, we actually declare a brand new variable which will be called as reverse, and it's initialized to 0. So now a new variable has been declared which is reverse, which is set to 0. And for this we are having this while loop. We are using the while loop here. While n is greater than 0, in this scenario you will see if n is 456, it is greater than 0, so this condition will evaluate to true, and now the control will shift to the center of the loop. So the very first step right here, what we are doing, we are dividing this number by 10, whatever is the number, which is 456. So we are dividing it by 10, and whatever is the remainder comes out to be. So we know that the remainder will be 6. So what will be the output here, which will be stored inside this remainder variable, which will be 6. So now you can see, now we extracted the last digit right here and printed out in the front. So this is the way. And now in the next step, we update this value of reverse, and what we do right here, we multiply this number by 10 and add whatever is the remainder there. So right here, reverse is 0, so 0 multiplied by 6, 0 multiplied by 10 comes out to be 0, and whatever is the remainder is 6, so its value will also change to 6. So now if you see, it also becomes 6, and now we divide this number by 10. So this division operator is different. This will not catch the remainder, this will only divide the number by 10. So if you divide this by 10 again, so it comes out to be 45, and this 6 will be removed. So now it becomes 45. Now you can see that again we repeat this process. 45 is greater than 0. Again we divide this number by 10. So we say 10 4 are 40, and we get remainder once again of 5. It's a very simple process how we extract the last digit. Just divide the number by 10 and get the remainder. Now we'll be shifting this value to this one. So again we put this value. Now this will make the remainder to 5. So again we multiply this reverse, whatever is present, we multiply this by 10. So 6 10 are 60, and then whatever is the remainder is there, which is 60 plus 5, and it comes out to be 65. So as you can see, so now once again we divide this number by 10. So we remove this. So now this will be 4. Again control shifts, again 4 is greater than 0. Again we divide this by 10 and the remainder will be 0 now. So now this will become 4, sorry, this will become 4 because if you divide by so you'll see remainder comes out to be 4. So now it is 4. So again now in the next step we multiply this by 10, so it comes out to be 650 plus 4. So now the output is 654. So that's all. We reverse the number and now n is, we again divide this by 10. So it comes out to be 0 and n becomes 0. So this condition will evaluates to false. So we will break out from the loop and simply print out the reverse number as 654. So this is a very simple three-step logic if you want to reverse all the digits inside the number. First of all, you divide the number and catch the remainder, and then you multiply remainder, you multiply whatever is the reverse. So we declared this reverse variable, that's why we declared this to store this. So I showed you step by step. In this way, you can reverse the number using while loop. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.